Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mirror mount is probably one of the most crucial components for any CB radio setup, especially if you're a truck or RV enthusiast. It ensures your antenna is securely mounted, providing optimal signal reception and transmission. In this video, we'll dive deep into the best mirror mounts available, helping you make an informed decision for your communication needs on the road. Number 5. RoadPro RP83W 3-foot CB antenna kit. This is the RoadPro RP83W Standard Series CB antenna kit. It's designed for easy installation and reliable performance. This kit includes everything you need to get started. The antenna uses 20-gauge copper wire. This wire is capable of handling up to 500 watts of power. It ensures a strong and clear signal transmission. The kit comes with a 9-foot coax cable. This cable connects the antenna to your CB radio. It provides a secure and efficient connection for optimal performance. It features an anodized mirror mount with all necessary hardware. The mount provides a secure and durable attachment to your vehicle. It's built to withstand various weather conditions. The kit includes one antenna, one mount, and a coax cable. Everything is included for a quick and easy setup. It's a complete solution for your CB radio needs. What we like. This antenna kit boasts a robust 500-watt handling capacity, ensuring reliable performance. The included 9-foot coax cable offers flexibility during installation. If you're looking for a standard, dependable setup for everyday use, this is a solid choice. What people say. Used on a scully for CB communications. Mounted antenna on upper mirror bracket. SWR midband was 1.21. Did not have to tune it at all. I have not had much road time with it, but it seems very sturdy and well built. I put on my F-150, easy to install. Seems to have good range. Works great and easy install. Number 4. Workman BRV1 Double Groove CB Radio Antenna Mount. This is the Workman BRV1, a double groove CB radio antenna mount. It's designed for easy installation and a secure hold. This mount is built to last and ensure optimal performance for your CB radio. Made from aluminum, this mount is durable and resistant to the elements. The double groove design provides a strong grip. It's a reliable choice for your antenna. The mount features an ISO 239 stud for a secure connection. This allows for easy attachment of your antenna cable. It ensures a stable and efficient signal transfer. It also includes a 3/8x24 thread for compatibility with various antennas. This universal thread size makes it easy to find a suitable antenna. It's a versatile and practical solution. The Workman BRV1 is easy to install. You can quickly set it up on your vehicle. It's a convenient and effective way to mount your CB radio antenna. What we like. This mount features a double groove design for enhanced stability. The ISO 239 stud makes connecting your antenna a breeze. If you prioritize a secure and straightforward mounting solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. The item matches the description perfectly. It is built to be heavy-duty, ensuring durability and strength, making it ideal for demanding tasks. The is well made and works great. Fits and works as it should, very well built. Number 3. Aluminum CB ham antenna mirror mount with stud. This mount is made of high-quality brushed aluminum. It's designed to withstand the rigors of mobile use, ensuring durability and a sleek look. The package comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. You won't need to worry about finding extra parts, everything you need is right here. It includes a stud with ISO 239 connector. This feature ensures a secure and reliable connection for your antenna, enhancing performance. This product is built to handle the demands of mobile use. The quality is assured, so you can trust it to perform reliably in various conditions. Its design makes it easy to install on your vehicle. You can quickly set it up and start using it without any hassle. What we like. The brushed aluminum construction offers a sleek look and durability. It comes with all the necessary hardware, simplifying the installation process. If you value both aesthetics and ease of setup, consider this one. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and well built. It is easy to install and adjust. The antenna mount is made of good quality materials. Number 2. RoadPro RPPS 23KB 3-foot dual mirror mount CB antenna kit. This is the RoadPro RPPS 23KB Platinum Series CB antenna kit. It's designed for maximum performance. This kit will help you communicate clearly. The antenna kit is built to handle up to 1000 watts. The 16-gauge copper wire ensures it can handle the power. You'll get reliable performance. This antenna is AM/FM ready. Computer-measured copper wire maximizes output and reception. It's designed to provide clear signals. The coax cable is hermetically sealed for extra protection. The mounts are non-corrosive with stainless steel hardware. This ensures the product's longevity. The kit includes two 3-foot black antennas, 2 mounts, and an 18-foot coax cable. Everything you need is included for easy installation. Get yours today. What we like. This kit handles a massive 1000 watts, ensuring maximum power. The dual antenna setup enhances both transmission and reception. If you are looking for the best performance and power, you should choose this one. What people say. Better reception than I thought I'd get. Comes with everything need to install easy. They get the job done. Number 1. Tram 3270 stainless steel UHF mirror mount. This mirror mount is crafted by Tram Browning Incorporated. They are known for superior workmanship and quality materials. This product is built to last. Engineered for exceptional performance and reliable function in all conditions. You can depend on it, no matter the weather. The mount is made of durable stainless steel construction. This ensures long-lasting use, providing years of service. Designed for easy installation with UHF to UHF compatibility. It's simple to set up and get going. Built to deliver years of dependable service with expert engineering. This product is a reliable choice. What we like. This antenna mount is crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity. It's designed for easy installation with UHF to UHF compatibility. If you value long-lasting performance and easy installation, you should consider it. What people say. I love that this is stainless and not aluminum. Strong solid antenna mirror mount. Good quality stainless steel antenna mount. Can be mounted on vertical or horizontal mirror bracket or pole mount. Sturdy construction. Polished stainless steel. Stainless steel bracket, stainless steel mount, bolts and nuts. Gold contact pin SO 239. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.